Hi everybody, Stephanie here. Listen, this is a short video to talk about something that I think is absolutely amazing. Out of a video chat this week, or many video chats because we did two, one in Europe and one for North America on Discord this week, came up a great idea, although some were actually kind of working on it already. But I don't want to waste too much time on the introduction, so let's get on with it. I'm here to ask you to or a call to action to bring you in this new project. I will call it the Foenix Networking Project. It's just a name I just created just then. And it's about getting people connected to create together to create the foundation first for us to be connected together on one server. And we would like to create a racing game. Okay, so the ultimate goal is to create a racing game. But in the short term, it's about connecting to a server which is a e-coach server to get your information back, to get your system running, connecting, getting the data. Then the second step will be to get a base of a code. We'll probably provide a couple of some example on the in C and assembly and BASIC probably, to be able to send out your information, your coordinates where you are, and then fetch the coordinates from the server. So then after that comes the more creative side. Because ultimately, from the moment you have all the information coming in and out, you can actually build a world around it and create it the way you want. You want to do a top-down like Spy Hunter, you can do it. You want to create something more like a isometric version, you can do it. And then we can get together and decide upon how the track will be. Now, it's a big challenge because it's not like every unit have a Ethernet controller running at 10 megabits or 100 megabits, but I think what we have right now is sufficient to get the information we need to actually do something. So personally, I'm targeting the racing game. I think we all agree that the racing game is the way to go, but some are more conservative than others, and I think it's fair to accept the idea that it's possibly just a bit over our head, but I would rather go for a racing game and to get a tank game as opposed to go for a tank game and to get a chess game. And at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter because at its core, the essence of that project is to get people to have a common goal, to have a focus, for you to be able to actually have an interest into developing something. The second thing is to obviously being able to play together. That would be great. It's about learning the machine, to have a chance to have like a enthusiastic idea or to motivate you to go back to it and to do something that is shared among everybody. So we can all share our codes, we can all decide to do or design our own graphics. There will be a point where when we have the data coming in and out, we can actually do something with it. And I think that's one of the foundation of the person who talked about this is like, I'd like to have a common goal where I can learn about the machine. I can get involved more, having a foundation, or I have a real good motivation to actually get in there and do this. Because we all get in our own way. We have a project, we want to do this. Oh, I want to create this game, but I need to create like a set of tools. But then, you know what, after, you get the machine and then, you know what, I have to create this, because it doesn't exist. And then you lose the interest over time because, there's not a lot of people using it. Nobody's going to use it. And we get in our way and we don't do anything. We don't even get to our goal. We just procrastinate. We don't do anything. We lose interest because, yes, the learning curve, there's a barrier of entry that you need to cross. And some people are capable of crossing it. Some are losing interest way before they get to that point. So I want to get more people involved in the community. We're a small community, but it doesn't mean that we cannot do great things together. And that's the point of this project. So I'm here to talk to you about this, to get you involved. Come on Discord. I know some people are like, I don't know what Discord is. It's just a forum type of thing, but live, and it's I'll see what they say. It's like a silo. You're just piling up things. But anyway, there's already a Echo server installed. We're going to start writing a little bit of code to connect to it to get some stuff back. There's some information about how to set up your Wi-Fi modules on the F solutions. There are proposals for other solutions, serial port to Wi-Fi for the bigger machine for the time being, till there's a stack IP, a proper stack IP on place. But it's really about connecting together, have a common goal, and to do crazy things. And considering that what the server will provide is just coordinates and stuff, then it's up to you to create the way you want the damn thing to look. and I think that makes it for a really cool project. And then you can put music. We can, decide what we're going to do afterward. But you know what? I think it's very, very cool. So anyway, so that's it, guys. A little 5 minutes in your world. Please come on, get involved. I'll try to come up with better solutions for the Wi-Fi if you don't want to solder. There's these different ways to go about this, but the goal is let's connect first. Let's share information, and then let's decide how we're going to go about this. But it's really about not making it too complex. It's really about making it accessible and for people to have a chance to have fun, put a sprite on screen, get it to move, put some tiles and music. And then after that, everything, it opens up different possibilities, RPGs and everything, like retro, pixel art type RPGs. Like it could be huge. And still, because, ultimately the networking is so much faster than the machine itself. So you know what? You want data, you'll have data. All right. So that's it, guys. I hope you can join in, and I hope to see you soon. Fade to black.